Welcome back to Turbo Rider today. We are diving into one of the most exciting and talked about SUVs of recent times, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. A legendary off-roader reborn with modern technology, powerful engines, and that classic rugged style. Design and exterior. The 2025 FJ40 brings back its retro boxy design with round LED headlights, a flat roofline, and squared wheel arches. It has a bold, muscular stance that instantly reminds you of the old FJ legend but with a fresh modern twist. Toyota has even added modular features like removable roof and doors, making it perfect for adventure seekers. Engine and performance. Under the hood, it's expected to pack Toyota's 2.4-litre turbo hybrid iForce Max engine, delivering around 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. That means plenty of power both on and off the road. Depending on the market, other petrol and diesel engine options may also be offered. It has full-time 4WD, locking differentials, multi-terrain select, and crawl control features that make it a true off-road beast. With up to 11.5 inches of ground clearance and a towing capacity of about 6,000 pounds, this SUV is built for real adventure. Interior and technology. Inside, Toyota mixes ruggedness with modern comfort. You'll find a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium seating options, and configurable cargo space for utility. Safety hasn't been compromised either. The FJ40 comes with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and pre-collision systems. Pricing and availability. Now, when it comes to price, reports suggest the new FJ40 could start around $55,000 and go up to nearly $75,000 depending on the trim. While Toyota hasn't made an official announcement yet, global launch is expected in late 2024 or early 2025. Conclusion. So, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 looks like the perfect blend of heritage and innovation, keeping the rugged off-road DNA alive while adding hybrid power and modern tech. If you're someone who loves classic style but demands 21st century performance, this SUV might just be your dream ride. Like, share, and subscribe.